Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Let's talk about USDJPY. So it's been trading in this channel for the longest time ever, and it will continue to do so until proven otherwise. Right now, we're seeing a hawkish Fed and a lagging Bank of Japan. They're not raising their rates. So I think this is bullish for the dollar yen specifically. A hawkish Fed and a lagging BOJ is perfect formula for this rally to happen. This correction is great for a buy. And we ride the wave 5 impulse to around 120. And after, at this point of time, I believe we should see a macro reversal of trend to the downside.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.